Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. If you're like me, you kind of struggle managing those little tiny cords in your vehicle, we came up with a great solution. Stay tuned and I'll tell you what it is. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. We love having a nice truck to ride around in, but one of the things that you do is you add electronics as you go, and with those electronics come cables and dreaded cable management. We really struggled with that for a long time and suspect that you may have as well. We found a great little solution that's really solved it for us. It's called the CableDrop product line. The CableDrop Mini in this case is a set of these dots that have slots cut in them that squeeze the cable. And when you take them off the card, here you can see the scale of them right there. They have an adhesive backer in which you just simply peel off the back and affix that to an area and route the cable through them. And the cable backs, or these CableDrop Minis, are set up in such a way you can just simply press the cable through them and it'll hold it. Now, this is the Mini because there's a bigger one also that works really well with USB cables and that sort of thing. But we've installed it in our truck here. And if you take a look at the way that this is laid out, our charger's on the right side of the display screen and everything here. But the charging cable that goes around to our phone base for wireless charging and also just to hold the phone used to kind of drape across here. We try to wedge it up in here. Well, you can see in this case with the addition of 4 of these cable drops right here, we were able to route the cable around in a nice orderly fashion, back up into the base right here. And of course the phone now just works out beautifully as far as just being able to set it in place. So you just set that in there and it grasps your phone and we're off to the races. So this is a great little set of products, and like I said, larger and smaller. Now, what do you expect to pay for this? This is about $10 or $11 for this card, and you can get these online. I happen to get these at our home improvement center, you know, the orange one, and they had both of them. Again, a set of large or small are about $2 or $3 difference in price, and they work really, really well. If you found this video to be helpful, won't you like it? And better yet, subscribe to our channel. And when you do, please ring the bell. That'll assure that you get a notification immediately whenever a new video episode is uploaded. Hey, thanks for watching today, and until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com.